Hello and welcome to the channel. Here on my screen is a common Windows issue. Let me read it out. Failed to play audio. Your computer is having a problem with audio playback. Try restarting your computer. When you come across this, please do not go ahead and restart your computer. There is a simple way to fix this. On the search bar down here, you can go type settings and go click on settings. But there is a shortcut to settings that I will introduce you to. Here is my on-screen keyboard, as you can see. If you want to go to the settings, the easy way, what you have to do is to press down the Windows key. This is the Windows key on your keyboard. Press down the Windows key and equally press down both of them, the Windows key and the letter I, and that will give us the settings. As you can see it is coming up. So when you get to this Windows settings, go look for system that comprises display, sound, notifications and power. Click to open. When you get to this interface, what you have to do is to go for the navigation pen. Here is the navigation pen. Go click on sound, and under sound, go for sound control panel. Click on that. Here you go. Just under playback, go look for your speaker. As you can see, here is my speakers. Just click on that speakers and click on configure. Then let's test. Let me go stop it. It stops automatically even if you don't click on that test. So once you are here, once you are done with this, go click on next, then next, then finish, and your problem is solved. Believe me, I encountered this issue on my Windows 10 and I was able to fix that through this process without restarting my computer. And I hope this solution will help you equally. Just try it and see if it's going to help you as it did for me. Thank you for watching and God bless you.